Welcome to Campbell RV, the Gulf Coast's premier destination for RVs. And here's a look at another great vehicle from our inventory. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with USB charging station, closets on both sides of the bed, corner angle shower, linen cabinet, 3-burner range, fire extinguisher, double kitchen sink, 2 entrances, over-the-range microwave, living area dinette, bathroom has private entrance to the outside, wardrobe closet, frameless windows, detachable power cord, living area television, shower skylight, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out kitchen, single slide, outside gas grill, living area sofa, kitchen pantry, queen-size bed, electric awning, pleated shades, sleeps up to 4 people. At Campbell RV, we've been helping families create memories since 1993. Besides new and pre-owned RVs for sale and rent, Campbell RV also services them as well. We work to provide a learning environment where you can get your questions answered without pressure to buy. From our family to yours, Campbell RV is here to provide you with the best experience possible picking out the right RV for you. Come see us today at 617 Callemen Road in Sarasota. Campbell RV, where away is closer than you think.